everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a t-shirt in Roblox using your PC or mobile. So all you have to do is just to go here to the more, click on create. After that it will be directing you here to the creator hub. Go to creation. After that choose avatar item and then classics. You will have here classic t-shirt and then click on upload assets. Choose the name of your t-shirt. I've got simple as t-shirt. You need to upload an image. I choose whatever image I want and then click on upload. Let's wait for it. And then we have our t-shirt here. All you have to do is just click it on sale, set a price, I don't know, let's say 200, and this will cost you 10 Robux to publish this item. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.